In this video, you will learn how to add transition, effect, background music, and also other few necessary things. So let's explore from here. This is the media. From here, you need to import the video, audio, and photos. And from here, you will get free background music and sound effect. From here, you can add text to your video. Here, you will get stickers. Here, effect. And from here, transition. If you click on a video clip, then from here you can customize your targeted video clip. If you click on a audio clip, then from here you can customize your audio. How to add text? Go to the text menu, then click on the plus icon. From here, make the font text smaller. Click here to convert all text to uppercase. You can add here the text style. Scroll down and click the background. From here, you can customize the color you like. This is the opacity. Now I will add an animation to make our video more professional. Select the text, then go to animation. Select the style you like.
By selling
How to add transition? To add transition, go to transition menu. Then drag and drop the transition to the middle of the video. Then our video will be look like this. I will add another transition to here. Do the same thing. Just drag and drop. How to add sound effect to make our video more professional? Go to the audio menu, then sound effect. From here, you can listen the audio. Then drag and drop to another new line.
by selling your photos online. You can use your
Do the same thing with your other transition.
photos online. You can use your mobile camera to sell photos online, especially with the advancements in smartphone camera technology. Using images from the internet without permission.
How to add background music? This is a background music. Import. Again, I will take it to another new line.
If you have photography skills, you can turn them into a profitable income.
Select the background music, go to basic and decrease the volume and watch again the video.
If you have photography skills, you can turn them into a profitable income stream.
By clicking here, you can delete the unnecessary audio. How to zoom in a video clip? Select a video clip, go to video and basic. Then transform and click here. Play the video.
Ensures the
Then again click here. Again click on this icon. And from here increase the video clip. And here is the result.
ensures the customer gets the legal right to use the images commercially without any legal risk.
How to do the video clip fast and slow? Select a video clip, go to speed. And from here, you can do the video fast and slow. How to add animation? From here, you can add animation. How to add an image? Import an image Then drag and drop where you want to show.
If you have photography skills, you can turn them into a
How to remove green screen. Import the video and take it to the timeline. Go to video, remove BG and chroma key. Click here and select the color that you want to remove. And finally, here is the result.